Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will guide you through the process of replacing the charge jack in your Dell Latitude 3410. Let's ensure you have everything you need before we start. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your components. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Next, remove the battery by unscrewing the screws on the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. There are usually about 10 screws that hold it in place. Once you've removed them, gently use your plastic spudger to pry open the panel. Be careful not to damage any clips as you do this. With the back panel off, locate the charge jack. It is typically positioned near the battery connector. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. A clean workspace is essential to avoid any potential issues once you reassemble the device. Disconnect the charge jack from the motherboard by carefully pulling it out. If you're unsure about how to do this, refer to the laptop service manual for guidance. If you don't have the tools or experience, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It can save you time and effort. Once the charge jack is removed, take the new charge jack and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Make sure it fits snugly into place. If you need assistance, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to travel or make any calls. After connecting the new charge jack, it's time to reassemble your laptop. First, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down gently until you hear it click into place. Then, secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, reinsert the battery and secure it with the screws. Once everything is back in place, power on your laptop and test the new charge jack to ensure it's working correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before any repair, allowing you to make an informed decision. And that's it. You have successfully replaced the charge jack in your Dell Latitude 3410. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can significantly extend the life of your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.